sometimes people really want to order different oils that are not in the premium starter kit, and so they get the basic kit, and it gives them the membership, gives them the wholesale discount. You get a Thieves household cleaner packet. You get two 2-ounce packets of Ninja Red. You get cards, and you get sample bottles, which I love sample bottles because I love sending samples. And then you get one oil, which is the 11th oil in the group if you get the premium starter kit, Stress Away. And you get a roller glide fitment, which Stress Away is wonderful to put it on. Quite frankly, I put mine on the Panaway because we use the Panaway a lot. Okay, basic kit.